everyone, my name is Mrs. Resnick. This is my third year at Raw, and I teach sixth grade math to the general students. And one thing I love about that is the variety of students I get to teach. If you have not already joined the Remind for My class, I would really appreciate it if you could take the time to go ahead and join. I'm going to put the information up on the screen in just a second. There are 3 different ways that you could join, as you see up top, and you will just join for the class that your child has. So if they're in 4th period, they're just going to use that code for period 4. Remind allows me to send out text messages, or you can get it in the app, where I send announcements about homework, tutoring, assessments, and things like that. It also allows both of us to communicate individually about your child, and it does keep phone numbers hidden, and privacy is a concern of yours. If you have not also added an email to Focus, if you could do that when you get a chance, that would help you stay up to date as well as allow me to communicate with you about any individual needs or supports that your child might need. I want to walk you through our Canvas course because it's really integral, especially for that homework piece. So students will go to class link and click on Canvas, and it will take them to their dashboard. You want to make sure to click on math. And then from there, you'll see my announcements for the week. So for this week, if students click on it, it will have their homework schedule as well as the topics that we're working on and anything that is due. And I like to bold the things that are due to kind of catch their eye to it. So if we go back to our home page, we scroll down, we're going to click on the yellow weekly assignments button, or you can click on modules. Either one will work. I'm going to go ahead and go into the student view so you can see exactly what it looks like as a student. So I'm going to click on weekly assignments, and there you'll see our information about our binder check. I try to be as detailed as possible and tell you exactly how many points, how they will be graded, and you'll see I even have downloads to those assignments. For students who are quarantined or just otherwise absent, this is a great resource because it will show videos and the different assignments that they're missing. So if they want to go through modules, that's fine too. That will show all of the assignments for the course. So let's say that someone was absent on Tuesday, 8/24. So here, add a link to their worksheets. This day was just an independent practice day, so there wasn't a video. We go back a day. Yeah, once again, but this also tells them the homework, and it tells us our learning goals. Let's look at another thing. Let's look at Friday. So if you look at Friday, there's a link to a tutorial video for them. And that's something that I'm really big on, offering different videos. 16. So we're not going to watch the whole video, obviously, but you'll be able to see that this is going to go over this topic in the notes. The last thing I want to touch on before you watch the next video for their other classes is the homework. So each week I will post the homework. It's usually a spiral bell ringer, and I include videos for each of them. I recommend students spend 10 minutes trying the problem for that day, and it's just 3 problems a day, and then watching the videos. And you can see they're pretty manageable. This one's 4.5 minutes. And so if they watch the videos, then when we have our homework quiz on Friday, they're able to use their homework to help them. And so hopefully that can help bring up some of their quiz grades. I do allow retakes or corrections on every assignment. It'll just depend on what the assignment is as to whether it's corrections or retakes. Late work I take up until about a week or a week and a half before progress reports / before report cards. So just to make sure they're aware of those deadlines, and I also have them write those in their planner. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're a team together, and I would appreciate your support and your help and just the opportunity to talk with you. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.